Yep, that's right, YouTubers. More weeks of watching grass grow. Be back with you in a second. Yep, YouTubers, it's been a couple weeks, but yeah, been a little cool. Highs in the, I think we've had some almost 70-degree days in the last few weeks, but a lot of the nights have been mid to low 30s. Still yet today. Here it is, May 12th, which is a Wednesday, but it's a little breezy, so excuse that. But yeah, a little breezy. Ain't quite warming up like I'd like for it to, and it's showing in the neighbor's corn crop over there, and neighbor's corn crop over there to the north of me, to the east of me. You know, the corn's up probably about 2 leaves, and it's just a little hurting a little bit, a little yeller. It's hurting from the warm days and warm nights. But well, when you get highs are in the mid 50s in May and lows are almost below 35, you get a little frost, kind of hurts them a little bit. This here is kind of slow to come back too, but you know, same kind of deal. Cold weather, cool weather, not ideal growing weather, but doesn't stop that dang yard, it's still growing. So anyway, hang on, I'll show you some more stuff. Okay, for those of you YouTubers that are curious about what was put on the little hayfield, hopefully that focused in on it. For the NPK stuff and all that wonderful stuff to make stuff grow, here we go. 0060 MOP course, about 470 pound, and 1152 0 MAP bulk, just MAP. About 470 pound of that spread on there, and then a 4400, about 120 pound of that got put on, and then they charged me about $5.78 to spread it. 79, call it 80, whatever. But anyway, there's you an idea of what has been put on as far as the NPK stuff with the dry fertilizer applicator. They did the work, and as I mentioned in a previous video, it was kind of comical to see one of them big 3-wheeled outfits roll in here with a 60+ foot wide booms and round around the outside, lap in the middle, done. It was ideal, awesome. So anyway, there's you that. Hang on, I'll show you something else. Okay, or something else. Took the little trailer on a road trip the other day. About 400-mile round trip overall. And what I done, and yeah, I'm stuttering, having a moment. But anyway, with the new rims and tires on the original tires that come with it when I bought the trailer, but the new style rims, packing the wheel bearings, new seals, did good. I stopped periodically and actually got out, walked around the trailer, checked it, of course. Checked my fingers, made sure the hubs were cool. They were fine. And but on that trip, I taking the trailer to get me something. I ran on US Interstate 70, and I drove with traffic dragging this behind me, just bouncing away. But needless to say, at traffic speeds, posted speed limits plus, hey, we did good as far as I'm concerned. Sure, come back in one piece, wheels did fall off of it, all good. Now, what I went to go get, the next story to the tale here. All right, we've had this 806 since 1992, so we've had it several years. And one of the things that really bugged me when we got it was that, and it's unavoidable, I'm sure whoever was operating at the time, previous owner, just unavoidable thing happened. I just didn't like the way they fixed it. Didn't like this particular farm engineer repair. But anyway, this left wheel must have been off into a tile hole, ditch, something, but they messed up this spindle assembly when they done that. And it must have just twisted the tire back like this or like this, whichever way, and broke there's a Woodruff style key that holds this steering arm to the spindle assembly, and it just messed it up. Well, their fix was grind this down, cut this dang ugly V in the steering arm and in the spindle assembly, and then just weld a rod in there and hold it in place. Well, wasn't long after we got the tractor, this weld crap broke. It was a bubblegum weld. It's about as bad as something that I've done, but it was not my fix. So anyway, that broke, messed up on us. We ended up taking this steering arm off, and so this would clamp tighter and hold better. We cut this metal right here out, this metal piece, and that is actually supposed to look like this one here. That's how it originally looked. As it was, we cut that out so we could pinch that bolt, pinch this tighter to the spindle assembly, hold better, and go, go, go. All right, that being said, here's what I've done. Hang on, I'll show you. All right, here's what I've done. Yes, it's upside down. I have went and bought a used front end that will fit my 06 series tractor. Actually, it fit any 06 series, 706, 806, 606, whatever. Probably fits all of them. And truth be known, it probably will bolt up to, don't quote me, I'll have it wrong, I'm sure. But I'm almost sure it'll probably also bolt up to a 26, maybe a 56 series also. They'll look about the same to me. There might be some little differences, but I think that frame will work on at least up to that series of through those series as a tractor. Now, my only concern is by buying it was the fact that the spindle, part that I'm worried about, a little grubby, a little dirty. Hopefully I'll clean up real good with the wire wheel, and the bearings and seals will go on it and be good to go. Because what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this one steering arm off and pull this assembly out and put it on my 806. Now, I know a lot of you are probably going, why didn't you just buy the one part? Buy what you needed, not the whole thing. Well, for just a few more dollars, I got, for what it would cost to buy this spindle assembly, I got a whole front end. I mean, the whole thing. It's just I could drop the whole front off with 8 and use this if I had to. But it's just 8, about 10 bolts. And the whole frame comes off of it. And I've got a new pin there I could use. This whole piece here I could use. I got several pieces I could use if ever needed for the 06 series outfits I got that I have. My 806. Plus I have access to a 706 that's at my dad's house. He still occasionally uses to clean the driveway out or whatever, but yes, we have an 706 gas tractor with a Oliver 1610 loader mounted on it. Moved a lot of hay with that outfit. So anyway, that's what I've got in mind, is to clean that spindle up for the left side and put it on my 806 in the end. All right, hang on, because I'm going to do a little mail call thing. All right, now, as several of you know, I've got my own little sticker decal for my channel, Rural Life with Ron. And as I've mentioned a few times in some videos, hey, if you want one, let me know. I'll send you one. Give me your name and address, either via Facebook, look for Ron Crosley, or email CR, all lowercase, CRSLYRN@yahoo.com, and I will send you a sticker. Another thing I've also said concerning the sticker is, hey, if you have a channel for your sticker, I'll trade you stickers. I know some of you guys got a purpose behind your stickers, but I'll trade you stickers. Just like baseball trading cards, football trading cards. I'll trade you stickers. I had a couple guys take me up on that. First one is our friend Nelson from IP Farms. He sends a nice note, you know, for supporting his channel and all that, and well, you know, just kind words. Very good, very nice man. Very keeps his channel pretty clean. Keeps the language clean, and a good channel to watch. But what he done, he had a sticker made for his channel. So here we go. Quit jabbering around. IP Farms Incorporated, established 1979 with the International Harvester logo. I like it. Thank you, Nelson. Appreciate it very much. Guys, go check him out. He does repair videos on his older farm equipment, operates his older farmer equipment. He's been doing some land clearing on the homestead and stuff down there. North Carolina, I believe, is where he's from. But go check him out. He's very good channel to watch. Now, the second one. Same deal. Trade him stickers. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but the Grumpy Farmer, Dennison Farms from New York, Andy Dennison. Thank you very much. And yes, the caricature. It's Andy's temperament and attitude sometimes. If you watch his videos, he has moments where he will let you know what he thinks. You don't have to agree with it. You just have to know he'll let you know what he thinks. Another very good channel. Him and his wife Barb do the farm thing up there. He keeps his equipment in very good shape and all that. And, you know, shows you his method of doing things and all that. Good channel to watch. I think twice a month on Fridays, him and Barn Talking get together and they give you their opinion. You can chime in because it's a live chat. They do a live chat and they go over their opinion on current events nationwide in their state of New York. But another good channel to watch and all that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get you up on there with the Martin Benton MB Bar Ranch, and Russ Thomas from Tennessee, Thomas Farms. I'll get you up there with them, and I'll show you how that all looks out. But guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you sending me your stickers, your logos here. That's great. I think that's awesome to, you know, go from, you know, just I like it. What can I say? That's about it. So anyway, hang on. I'll be right back. All right, guys, there you go. You are now on my little display window. We got the Grumpy Farmer, Andy Dennison. Thanks, Andy. I like the attitude of the sticker. I just can't help but chuckle when I look at it, but it's awesome. And Nelson, IP Farms, thank you very much. I appreciate the sticker. Got you on the thing there. Got you right below Russell there at Thomas Farms, Leon, Tennessee. Russ Thomas, another good channel to watch. And then of course Martin Benton, MB Bar Ranch. Go check these guys out. They're well worth the time to look at. And like I said, guys, I'll trade you stickers just like a baseball trading card. But anyway, that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. Hey, thanks for taking time to watch my video. I do appreciate you, as always. and all that, and I'll try and come up with something here before long, something a little more interesting, and we'll go from there. So as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate you as always, and take care, be safe, and catch you on the next one.